You're gonna love the 2023 Ford F-150. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, blind spot monitor, tire pressure monitoring system, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.